Hey everyone, this is Marjory Wildcraft, and I'm with Alina and her husband Stanley. Imagine him here, okay? And we're just outside of Crawford, Colorado, and Alina and Stanley have 16 acres and that they're building, and they would really like to create community, and they're looking for community members that want to come and live this lifestyle and work. So I just wanted to, Alina's a little bit shy, but we just wanted to let you know about this, and maybe some places to start is what you don't have, so that people don't come with some wrong expectations. Like you don't have a high-speed internet here.
We do actually have high-speed internet.
Okay.
We have, there's DSL, not fiber
Oh, it's
network,
DSL,
but
but so
yeah.
somebody who's a remote worker that doesn't
Sure.
need super high, but you do have internet. So if you're a remote type person, there's some houses built here, and you've got this beautiful solar oven and a greenhouse, but there's a lot of work still left being building buildings and.
Absolutely.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think that's probably the biggest hurdle right now when people come and travel and look for a place to stay. They're looking for an ability to just basically walk into a home, and we don't have housing at this point, and we're actually looking for somebody to help us build natural housing.
And you're really looking for long-term people that would want to live here and make a commitment to it and help work. And your ethics also are vegan, vegetarian. Is that correct?
Just me. I think the community in general is about building connections with everything around us and treating all the life around us as part of our family and relatives. So um, if you have these awesome relationships with animals and you protect their environment and their ecosystem and create these relationships, I personally, that's not something
Mm-hmm.
I want to do is consuming animals, but I totally acknowledge that it's everybody's choice.
So
And
that's an option.
yeah,
Okay,
absolutely. Yeah.
okay. And we're not like too far out in the boondocks here.
Well,
Like we're
you're not.
like Crawford is.
It's about 7 miles from here, and it's a very small town. But we have some really beautiful towns around. There's Paonia and Gunnison's not too far south of us.
And the
And
closest airport is going to be
in
Montrose,
Montrose, yes.
which is
Hmm.
50 minutes away.
Yeah, for
So
about an hour,
yeah.
yes. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
so if you've been dreaming about the homesteading life, and again, this is not going to be somebody who has nothing. I mean, you need people have to come with some kind of commitment and resources.
Absolutely. And also the ability to, I think mostly the strength and the time. Somebody coming in with an ability to take some time off and build the shelter, build the strong grow network, the food network, and medicine, and all of this is it takes time. And for somebody who works a full-time job, and that's great that they can do that, but there's not a lot of time to actually come in full steam in here and be able to create these really crucial connections. So somebody that has the is privileged to have the time and energy and to be able to create these connections and share them with others.
Hmm. And but what you offer is just this beautiful piece of land. There's a river running through it, a beautiful garden, and then both of you are just a lovely couple and wanting to get started and share this with other people. So,
That's
and I
great.
will say a lot of people dream about a homesteading life, and the reality is it's a lot of hard physical work, which I love personally because I want to be in shape.
Yes,
But sometimes that reality is a little bit
absolutely.
rude. But
Yeah.
but yeah,
Yeah.
you've got this beautiful spot and
Mhm.
some infrastructure already built, and an opportunity here for other people that might want to move in. Now, how would they connect up with you? And oh, by the way, they also do weekend workshops. That's what I'm here for.
Sure.
So there's events that happen out here,
Yeah.
which is kind of cool. That way, you don't have to leave home to learn about wild foraging
That's right. That's right.
or processing acorns or other things. But how would they get in touch with you? Just if they're kind of curious.
Sure. Sure. So we're on, we have a website, wildcooperative.wordpress.com,
Mhm.
and you'll find an email address there and all of our events for the year. that we're hosting. Yeah, but just something to you were saying. Our mission is it's basically an experiment in creating as many relationships as possible with everything around us, but at the same time also sharing these relationships and knowledge that we have gotten from cultivating these relationship with other people, with people who are willing to and wanting to get these connections. So we have an education and demonstration side that we would like to kind of have this land to be a place of experimentation and a place of education.
Nice. And so that is wildcooperative.wordpress.com.
That's correct.
And then they'll be able to see more about the land, what you have here, the events, and then the email on how to get in touch with you. If you're at all interested in this opportunity, and it's just freaking beautiful here. So if you've been dreaming about moving to Colorado, this might be the way to do it. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you for the opportunity.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn to make your own medicine with plants you find in your yard. Get started at www.makeyourownmedicine.com.